Well, go on, everybody. So today we're going to be adding Codex to Xcode. So let's do it. You kind of don't really need to go in Xcode. All you have to do is really just go over to here and then go up to the menu bar and then click on Xcode here. Then go down to settings, right? And then it will show like this. You will see pretty much intelligence here. Just hit intelligence and go over to here where you have Cloud Agent and Codex. Go to the one that says, well, Codex OpenAI, hit get, install, and when that's done installing, like boom, that was pretty fast. Just go over to these three dots or ellipse and then hit sign in with a ChatGPT account. Click that. And then you get this pop-up. Basically, it's just going to open up a browser so you can log in. I'm just going to use sign in with Google since that's how I have my account. And you can see it's just saying sign in, blah, blah, blah. Hit continue. And now it says I'm signed in. If I go back up here, you'll see that I'm pretty much signed in, and you can pick the model you want to use. So right now it's set to default. Let me just try with the highest one right now, 5.3. And then let's go back. And just like that, you basically have the Codex agent set up for Xcode. All right. If you wanted to turn on the chat feature as well, you could just go down to this one and then just hit turn on, then hit next, turn on ChatGPT. And then pretty much all you have to do from here is just sign in. But this one will be more so like talking. This isn't the agent. Your Codex is the agent, which we already signed in. So if you already did that and you're fine, you're all set. Sign in with Google. And right now you're signed in. So you have both of them on right now, ChatGPT and Xcode. So you have both of them on right now. So you have both the agent and the chat available to you. And that's pretty much how you set up to work in Xcode. If you want to confirm it now, just close this. And let's just do like a new Xcode project. So go here. And I'll just do iOS app. Let's just do test. And then I'll hit next, create. And then all you have to do, I'll maximize this, is go to, I guess we didn't need to maximize that. It's just go over to the intelligence section over here, right? And then you're pretty much just gonna click on this, go down to Codex right here. And from there, that's how you know it pretty much you already have it set up. And that's how you can pretty much just start asking ChatGPT Codex questions so you can start building out your app. And yeah, that's it. All right, I'm out.